Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home improvements with Home Depot detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your home's needs and creating a detailed project plan. Identify the areas that require improvements and set a budget for each project. Research Home Depot's website for the specific materials and tools you will need. Make a list of items you plan to purchase to stay organized. Sign up for a Home Depot credit card, if applicable, to take advantage of financing options. Sign up for Home Depot's email newsletter to receive exclusive promotions and discounts. Visit Home Depot during sale events, such as holiday weekends, when discounts are often significant. Use Home Depot's price match guarantee to ensure you're getting the best deal. Consider purchasing seasonal items during off-peak times for marginal savings. Check out Home Depot's clearance section for marked-down items that are still in good condition. Use the Home Depot mobile app to scan items for current pricing and availability. Look for coupons and promotional codes that can be applied during your purchase. Join the Home Depot Pro Extra loyalty program for additional savings if you plan to make frequent purchases. Ask about bulk purchasing discounts if you're buying in large quantities for bigger projects. Plan DIY projects when appropriate to save on labor costs. Utilize Home Depot's tool rental services for expensive equipment you may only need temporarily. Consider attending workshops offered by Home Depot to gain skills and save on professional help. Bring your purchased items back if they were not used, as Home Depot often has a generous return policy. Monitor your local store for inventory events or special sales in your area. Reach out to knowledgeable staff for advice on cost-effective alternatives or materials. Finally, keep track of your spending and stay within your budget to maximize your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.